Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mariam Narona. If you watched my video on law and life, you would have understood the intrinsic link between law and life. If you haven't watched it, I would request you to watch that because this video is a sort of continuation to that. It introduces you to the different contracts we form in our daily life, and many times we don't even look at them as contracts. Many of us use public transport, so whether you're using a bus or a train, and whenever you use the service of the service provider in your particular city or any private service provider, you're entering into a contract with them. So you go and you stand at a bus stop that indicates that probably you want to take a bus somewhere. When the bus arrives, you read the destination where it's going to, and then you board the bus. When you board the bus, there is an implied understanding that you want to go to some place which is on the route, and that you will pay the fare for the for that trip. So those are common contracts which we enter into. Another very common example of transportation, the kind of contracts we enter into these days are cab aggregators, where we have an app on our phone. We get some offers, we get price offs, we get discounts. All those things are available to us because we are a subscriber to that service. We have the app on our phones, and with that app we decide whether or not we accept the ride at a particular price. So that's another contract, and you also get to decide how you'll pay, whether you'll pay by cash or you'll pay by card and things like that. So this is a common contract, I think, which people would recognize and probably don't really look at as a contract. Many of us go shopping. We could shop for groceries, we could shop for apparel, shoes, whatever are our requirements. So every time we go and buy something, that is a contract. It's a contract of sale which we are entering into. Online shopping is something all of us do, and many of us have been pushed to do it. Only shop online during this recent COVID-19 crisis and the ensuing lockdown. So that is one example of contractual relationships which we enter into on a daily basis. Each time you buy something online, either through an app or a website. Also, when you subscribe to a particular service, you subscribe to any newspaper or magazine online, that is also a contractual relationship. Now, a common contract which people enter into, especially students, you have membership of your library. You may be members of your college library, where against that amount would be charged to you in your fees or something like that. But if you're a member of a public library, you have to pay a membership fee and you get to use the books. You don't get to own the books. But you could also have the option, and many of us do exercise that we may like to buy our own books. So the difference here is in the type of contract the right gives you. That is, when you buy a book, you're the sole owner. You can enjoy that book as you please. But when you borrow a book from the library, you have to return it at a particular or within a particular time. It has to be in good condition. If it is not, then you would have to pay some sort of a fine or the price of that book. So those are the contracts which commonly students may be entering into, but they don't realize that they are daily life contracts. Net banking, many of us use this. I'm sure all of us do now, especially ever since demonetization and then the COVID-19 crisis. We have been encouraged to use online banking. So this is an example of a common daily life contract which you enter into. So thank you. I'm sure many of you enter into many more contracts in on a daily basis. I've just made an attempt to introduce you to a few contracts which we enter into probably, and don't really view them in that sense, because we are not doing any major registration or paperwork relating to those contracts very often, some of them. So I hope you will enjoy the short introduction to contracts in daily life. And if you like the content in this video and on this channel, please do hit like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.